Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to use Canva to create beautiful SVG files, perfect for selling on Etsy or using in your own digital projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make custom SVGs in Canva, ready for your store or craft business. Let's get right into it and make this process stress-free and straightforward. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's easy and free to set one up, although for downloading SVGs specifically you'll need access to Canva Pro, but don't worry, I'll mention that again when we get there. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you're looking for the big, inviting Create a Design button. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where the magic begins. Next, in the search bar that appears, type in bottle. Now, you might be wondering why bottle. Well, let's imagine you're creating an SVG for a wine bottle label, a water bottle sticker, or maybe even a cute bottle graphic for a birthday invitation on Etsy. Typing bottle helps Canva pull up a variety of ready-made templates and design elements that you can use as your base. The key here is to get a good starting point so you don't have to build your design from scratch unless you want to. Once the search results load, you'll see all sorts of bottle-related templates. Take your time and browse through them. Don't worry if you click on a few before finding one that really fits your vision. When you find a template you like, just click to select it. Think of this as picking the right canvas for your painting. The great thing about templates is they come with already balanced shapes and layouts, but you won't be locked into any one design. Your creativity is in the driver's seat from here on out. Now it's time to edit the design and make it truly your own. This part is a lot of fun and where you can really let your imagination shine. Change up the colors to better match your branding or your theme. Maybe you want pastels for a spring collection or deep jewel tones for a holiday design. If you want to personalize it even further, swap out fonts, move graphics around, or add your own text like witty quotes or your shop name. Canva makes this process super intuitive, almost like playing with digital stickers. If you're a bit nervous about editing, remember, every change you make can always be undone with just a click. So experiment and see what looks best to you. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to save it. Look for the Share button in the upper right corner of the Canva editor. Give it a click, then choose Download. Now here's an important point. When you're choosing the file type, make sure to select SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which means your image will stay crisp and clear at any size. This is absolutely crucial if you're planning to sell digital files on Etsy, since customers will want to use your design on anything from mugs to massive posters. Keep in mind, the option to download as SVG is only available on Canva Pro. If you hit a roadblock here, Canva does offer a free trial of Pro, so you can always use that for your first few projects. And that's it. You've now created a unique SVG file in Canva, ready for your store or your next DIY project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about making SVGs in Canva or anything else Etsy related, just drop them in the comments below. I always love to help out. And of course, hit subscribe for more practical creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.